and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to get super black buttercream, which is perfect for your cakes and cupcakes, especially with Halloween around the corner. So let's get started. So I'm going to start by making my normal buttercream. So I'm going to add my butter, and I always use salted butter, into my stand mixer. And this butter is at room temperature, so it's fairly soft. And I'm going to beat this on high now for about 5 to 10 minutes till it's really light and fluffy. So that's looking nice and light and fluffy. So to this I'm going to add about half of my weighed out icing sugar. I'm just going to mix this on low. So that's all mixed in. I'm going to add the rest of the icing sugar. And I'm just going to mix this on low again. So that's all nice and mixed in. So I'm going to add in my vanilla bean paste because we want to flavour our buttercream. I'm just going to add about 2 tablespoons of water. Sorry, 2 spoons of water. And then I'm going to mix it again until it's nice and smooth. And now I'm going to be adding some activated charcoal. And I'm going to start with just a spoon of that, and we'll see how we go with the colour. I'm just going to mix it on low. So you can already see that 1 spoon has made it very dark. And activated charcoal is perfectly safe to use in your buttercream, and it might even make it a little bit healthier because it helps you to digest things better. So we'll add another spoon and then we'll give it another mix and see if we've got to black. Okay, and because we've got such a large amount of buttercream, I'm just going to add 1 more spoon in. And mix it again. So that's looking really good now. So I'm just going to finish off by adding about half a teaspoon of black food colouring. And I'm using Sugar Flares Extra Black, but any gel food colouring should work absolutely fine. And give it another mix. So there we have it, lovely black buttercream, which is perfect for all your Halloween bakes. If you want to see some of the things I've used this for, wait till the end and they will be there for you to click on. Well, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, leave me a big thumbs up. And if you want to see any more of my videos, hit that subscribe button. And I will see you all next time. Bye!